Welcome back to Addiction Football, welcome back to Atlanta, welcome back to Mercedes-Benz Stadium, where last year in May I've done my first ever MLS video, which ended in a 3-3 draw that nobody expected. So needless to say, Atlanta have improved significantly because they beat the same opponent last week 4-1. It is Sunday, the 17th of March, it is St. Patrick's Day, and although I've lived in Ireland for many years, today I'm not wearing green, and neither is our number 7, Giorgos Giakoumakis. Anyways, I prefer him in black and red, I prefer him wearing the 5 stripes. He said he's gonna win the Golden Boot this year, and in the home opener he scored a hat-trick. Good morning, it's the day after the match, and despite being sunny, it's bloody freezing here in Georgia, at least for someone who's lived in the Caribbean for a number of years. Anyways, I wanted to comment on a few things about yesterday's match. Number one, I'm really starting to love tailgate parties. Especially the fact that in this country they seem to be for the whole family. In this case, you seen there was like the bouncy thing for the kids, and I couldn't imagine that happening in Germany, because be sure that if there is a pre-match party going on in Germany with flares and with smoke bombs, then there will be a SWAT team and there will be helicopters. So it feels really good not to be treated like a fucking criminal for a change, you know. So take that, Germany, and keep it up, America. Number two, the match pretty much went as expected, because Orlando have been rotten from the beginning of the season, which came as a bit of a surprise to me, because they were pretty strong last year, made it into the playoffs and whatnot. But well, I'm happy. Atlanta could have scored one or two more, but I'm happy with the result as it is. That's it for today. As always, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to lay some rubber on the Georgia asphalt, going a little crazy and hopefully not getting caught, because I'm about to embark on a cross-country motorcycle trip to bring the best soccer atmospheres in America to your screens. If you want to support me on this trip, you can click join channel below and choose the behind the scenes membership to see content that nobody else will be able to see.